Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can edit your face or how you can do the face settings on the Adobe Photoshop app. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Photoshop app. So I'm going to open this app here, and after opening the app, as you can see, simply we have to choose the, I'm going to click on the no here. Let's click on the photo editor, and now we have to choose the image, that which image you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one here, so we have to click on this image, and as you can see, now what we have to do, we have to go to the face option. So let's click on this face option, and after going to the face option, as you can see, now different types of options are provided here. If you want to increase the face size, you can also do that. As you can see, we have to click on this, and the face size will be increased. If you want to increase the face width, you can also do that. As you can see, the face width will be increased. For example, I want to increase this face width, as you can see, now it's increased here. If you want to increase the face width of this, you can also do that. As you can see, now it's done. And let's make it in the normal size, as you can see. So in this way you can increase the face size, face width on the Photoshop app. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.